DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
What's good, YouTube gang? I boy Jambisco. And back here, you see me, and we got another banger video today. Unno see what I Unno see what I Yeah man, the man so-called run dancer right now just dropped like last night. You see me, and I was gonna do reaction as soon as him drop. But I decided to say, yo, you know I'm gonna wait till that man when I got a little more energy. You can feel the vibes, feel it. You see me, feel the song. Yeah man, you don't know saying one side man. One side till the landslide. And we are talking about none other than genocide. Masicka. They have a new track, gang. The one entitled Limelight. You see me? And I thought Masicka was gonna be dropping an album last night, but he just dropped a song. I thought he was dropping a whole album on the 10th. You see me? So I don't know what I'm going on, but him drop a track named Limelight. You feel me? I mean, no say from me look on the beginning there, I know it was gonna be hard, bro. And I hear a lot of people talking about it, everybody talking about it, and I say, yo, it sound bad. Yo, but I'm mad, bro. I should have did the reaction from last night. But me there, better late than never. I'll check it out today and see what the genocide boss I deal with. You see me and say? Yeah man, we are gonna jump right now. We're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. We'll jump right in at the track. Yeah man, this is Masicka with his new track, Limelight, gang. Let's get it. You know, like the beginning remind me of Skilly Bang piano. You see me? Beethoven. Come on. Ooh, this shit got a little classical feel to it. You see me, gang? Got a little classy feel. Hey, you see me? Come on.
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in 9 prime when I shock on my skill. Charge 199 when I stack up the mill. Dog stuck in a crime and I talk about me still. But no, me don't
Come on, gang. The man come, the man now play, bro. This flow is nasty, gang. This flow is nasty. Come on, let's get it.
Roll out, that's how my flash, my pocket pack and me chill. You be jump and chase a jeep, say man a lot and we will. 2 pack in 9 prime with a shock on my skill. 3 million for the money, fucking
2 pack in 9 prime, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. We're going for the gunshot. Yeah, come on.
I'm behind on the road signs for the rain youth. Man, when I'm on the outside with pain youth. Them couldn't follow me all if them take the same road. I got that loan, yo. Oh, yeah.
Man said they couldn't follow me even if them take the same road. You see me? Yeah, man. Come on, gang.
Me a coop. Me get them stay cute. Me got them aim short. And if me come in our belly, what a great youth. Style them out of this world, I'm a space suit.
Cry, man say, yo. Me there out there, you see me, I'm coming out and what a great youth, cause I come after you see me? Come on.
Limelight. Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right. Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back.
Man say limelight, been there and done that, me just try to get my mind right. Whew.
Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back. Limelight. Been there, done that. Pull up hands, a be a gunshot. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back and just a limelight.
Man say lime that. You see me, drive that, wreck that, spend that, make it back. You see me, man say, me been there, done that, bro. You see me, I let me out of fire for the limelight, me been there, done that. Right now, me just try start up, me like, get my thing together. You see man half in the country, log on the hillside, bro. Man done with the bagger. Right and tame, man want to live some life now. I'm telling you,
I'm in a like that dog. Have a girl on me just strike that hard. Life cash, you know, life and God. But the highway I drive that bad. That's a broke talk, but them I try that fraud. Yeah, we up dog, let me find aisle in the yard.
Man say me up dog, like me find aisle in my yard, bro. Like me find aisle in like a aisle well. You see me, I power them big boy they over Dubai and Arabia and them thing there. You see me, we own aisle, bro. You see me, more rich feel. Yeah, that's rich.
Me guns now hide my lad. The dogs are vibe night dark.
Man say me guns them not hide my lad. The thugs them a vibe night dark. Oh, I'm tear man, come in.
The chunks of life I spark. She love her and I cock. She clump up and I shots.
She love her and I cock. She plump up and I shots. You see me? Yeah, man, she like when I buckle, bro. We sipping on, you see me, 1942s, and you know what I'm saying? She like when I talk and she plumb up in her shot. Come in, come have a drink. Come in.
She love the hang that fast. She rum the bomb that flash. The ground where black man cross. Sit down the watchman clocks. Limelight. Been there, done that, that's what.
Ground where man cross, bro. Sit down there and watch my clocks. You see me? Sit down there and make me go and watch me make these steps, bro. I'm making these moves, crossing these boundaries. You see me? Yeah, man. Come on.
Get my mind right. Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back. Limelight. Been there, done that. Pull up hands, I be a gunshot. Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot
back. Come on, bro. Give it to the. Come on, bro. Genocide. You know what say Masicka fans are happy. Yeah, man. Masicka make some masterpiece, bro. No cap.
Keep shining, blessing our real timing. The Jeep piling, the cash, the team smiling. The street finding.
Say keep shining, the blessing are real timing. You see me? I say keep do your thing, bro. You see me? Time will go pay off. You see me? I say, yeah, man.
Blessing our real timing. The Jeep piling, the cash, the team smiling. The street finding, my gap, no cheap styling. We do this calm on our son, the peace boiling.
Man say the streets finding my gap. I throw the styling. You see me? I'm a gap for here. True styling, boy, cause style thing, but for a gap for her. You see me?
Bend some and put some in a hiding. Big food, they get a child. Stop who? Stop what?
Boy, dog, have you no number 2 billboard plaque on the wall in a video. Man, send a reminder to the haters. You see me? I say, oh, boy, come
stop rhyming, the black art. My sharp, me not sliding. Me stop that, anything me drop, me keep rising. Chat, run up on me, a suicide king. Fresh, like say ya Louis sign him. Shirt match your blood clot shoes, do the right thing.
Man say, well, fresh like a you, me design him. Shirt match the blood clot shoes. Hey, stay up, bro.
Fresh, like say ya Louis sign him. Shirt match your blood clot shoes, do the right thing. Archie make us speak legacy. Pussy them
man say, stay fresh like a Louis. Sign him. The shirt, the shoes. What? Hey! Stop playing the dog.
Remedy. Chargematic for me enemy. All the code. Get the brand and watch me energy. I'm a god.
Man, I show you say, yo. You man have blood clot leaf a grow up on the Porsche, bro. Man, I just say, this not new to me, bro. Just another regular thing on the park run about. Hey!
Dear done that, just want to get my mind right. Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back. Limelight. Been there, done that. Pull up hands, I be a gunshot. Let me drive that, break that.
Come on, pull up on hands, I be a gunshot. Come on, man. One side to the landslide.
Make that blood clot back, I just a limelight.
Video bad. Gotta lead, always remember that. I want to see the conversation there, gang. Hold on, because you see me fast. Me want to know them a chat about. Man say, gotta lead, always remember that. You see me, then the dog say, swam. And I say, work time. Then someone say, get the studio active. You see me, and then Dindin say, limelight. I be a thing now. I've read that, I don't know how fast already. Yeah, man. One side to the land side and that is genocide. You see? I want to say genocide, don't talk about go over so, but we don't talk about that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up to Masicka, the boss, the genocide boss. Yeah, see me, know say all the crooks them out on the one day. I know say dog them feeling good. I know say last night when this dropped, I know say yo the fans them was going crazy, gang. I react to it last night, dog. I'm say yo man, wait time, man, me have the energy and can feel the tune. I could have dropped it last night, you know. I'm wake up to blood clot reaction boss beat me to it about me bad. You see me, but you don't know. We still have a chop full thing because we have full vibes. You see me? But me know say I want to think about that one day. You see me, I say we don't think about that one day, bro. You see Masicka is back doing his thing, gang. Dope ass track, the vibes, the visual, the beat is crazy. It look like he take it, the quality and production upon him chat them is like crazy. Even the video, bro. You see me, cause he shoot a yard, but the way he shot a yard is like it's like a movie, bro. You see me, the man upon little ranch, do him little chores. You see me cut him grass and them thing there, fix up him house and thing and in touch with that a Porsche park out and I think. Yeah man, Masicka have a little ranch a yard, man. You see man leave man. You see me, I say gang. Yeah man, gang. You see me, the video, man. You see me, the quality and everything, the production quality and everything. You can tell. Say yo, it's up there. It's up there. It's production, Afrobeats hip hop, R&B, I don't care. The production of the video is up there. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely like that. Definitely like that. You see me? The song is also, yeah man, the song is really a banger. Really a dope track, no cap, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so you know, say the fans them feel nice about that. It's a good look for Masicka. You see me? I say, the ask him I do that, saying been there, done that. You see me fresh like a load this. You see me? I say, so big up to Masicka. Keep doing your thing, gang. Keep showing for the stars. You see me? I say, yeah man, you're definitely one of the best out. You see me? One of the best to be doing it right now. No cap. So yeah man, and people, yeah, your fans them believe in and I hope so. Yeah, you see me? I say, so you keep doing your thing, gang. You don't know. Let me know anything about that on the comment section, gang. You don't know. Yeah. Drop your comments down. We could just discuss it. If I like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco and say no. You see me? It's a vibe, man. Can't wait for the album drop. You see me? We're looking out for that. See once the album drop, we're gonna react to that also. Let me know if y'all want a live stream and all that, so we get it done, gang. But you don't know. The next time my boy Jambisco, you're gonna hit on a smash and a banger. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. So guys, come out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.